you like my new jacket?
No. What is happening, guys? Long time no see.
You look smart, babes.
Do you think I look like a Victorian?
I was gonna say that, yeah.
Why didn't you dress for the occasion then?
Well, I did, if you didn't notice.
You look like Stormzy. And I'm off Downton Abbey.
Shut up.
So it's been a while, guys. We thought we'd show our beautiful faces to you again and let you know what we're doing this year. Because it's all a bit nuts, isn't it?
It's a huge one. This is a huge year for us.
This is what is happening. This smile just says it all.
It's going to be a big one. So we thought we'd give you a rundown of what's happening. So we've made a list and everything. Look at that. Proper list.
Okay, so what am I starting with?
The top bullet point.
New content.
New content is coming.
Yeah, so like we've been home for a while now, guys, and we've been trying to really update our website because we get so many messages off you guys like, oh, I'm going to the Philippines, you know, what's the best thing to do when I get there? And we're like, sugar, we should have written a blog post. So we've literally been updating it all. We've got loads of new stuff. We do swear in it, so if you're a bit, you know, maybe don't read it.
What was that?
You know, like posh, like a high collar.
You can't read the blog.
Is that something? If you've got a high collar. No?
If you've got a high collar. You've got a high collar, that one. Savage. So the new content is this. So if you haven't seen our Philippines video, go and have a look and share it with everybody because we were really scared to put it out. Let's just get it out there and get it
Craig's
done.
literally been editing it for about a decade. I love the video. It's us, isn't it? Yeah.
So if you go in, then hopefully that will help you out. But there's more of those to come. We're going to do a Thailand one, we're going to do a Bali one, we're going to do an Iceland one.
Yeah.
Is that it?
For now, I think. If we were smart, we would have just started the website and the blogs as we went. But because we've done so many countries, and now we're like, oh shit, we've got to sort of backtrack now.
Yeah.
It's taking a while.
Next on the list is King in It merch. Now obviously, I'm repping this new King in It tech fleece. Brah.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, man, this is a technical fleece.
You sound like a proper geek.
Right, when we travelled before, if you saw our original King in It videos, I bought a Nike hoodie, which was my favourite hoodie of all time.
Now he doesn't shut up about this bloody Nike hoodie.
The reason being is because I was like, if I was going to make a travel hoodie for people to buy, it would have to be the same as this. And I only went and bloody found it, didn't I? It's not the Nike one, this is not fraud, Nike, so if you're watching this, don't sue us.
Quality is out of this world, that's why. It's like scuba, it's like thin scuba, so it's like breathable, but you can wear it diving if you fancy it.
Hallelujah!
But yeah, it is actually lovely.
It's got zip pockets and everything, and I've just found out that there's 2 inside pockets.
Shut up!
So when you're traveling, you stick your little passport and then you stick your iPod in and then you do it. What we're gonna say is, if you really want one of these, send us an email. If you really want one. If you are like, I've got the cash to buy this right now, send us an email with the size that you want, and we'll put an order in and we'll reserve them for you. Because I want to get these out, man. I want people to travel in these bad boys. Rep the crown, rep the King in It crown.
Let's just cut to a little catwalk.
What else are we getting?
So I've wanted to do this for ages, and we've spent so long, like, what's the word? Trawling. That's not a word. The internet to try and find the perfect vest top. And guys, they're coming. They're coming straight to your face ASAP, okay?
They're pretty gangster.
We've decided to stick with black and white because they're original, they're classic, they're crisp. And we're just gonna have the crown on them, but in different colors. There's gonna be some limited edition ones, but that's what you need. I mean, people that follow us, they're travelers, aren't they? And they want a vest top because they're going to Thailand.
Exactly, you can't be walking around in no fleece jumper, can you? But you need one of these for the plane, so...
Wow.
cut that bit out. We're actually doing a sale right now, so if you want some King in It garms, there's jumpers on there, I think there's beanies left, there's some snapbacks.
Yeah.
So help yourself.
We've got the worldy jumpers. Guys, we thought they were gonna fly out. We thought people were gonna absolutely love them because it's like my favorite. It's proper slick. It's like 3D embroidery. There's beautiful colors in it. You know, you'll be repping. Send us a picture of you wearing your stuff. If it's in a really cool place, if it's a really cool shot, we'll send you something. How's about that then?
Bannister up in it. Next on the list. What are we doing? What are we doing this year? That's what people want to know. I want to know.
All right, so let's start with Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the most gorgeousest place. It's got the most beautiful people, and we did spend a week there last year with the tourism board. I was sick for 4 days out of 7. It was a bit of a nightmare, and the itinerary was jam-packed, so I was just like, So we didn't really get to spend as much time as we wanted, or as a healthy time. Yeah.
So we're going back! So that is the plan. The problem is, right?
There's no problem.
We've got no money.
No, that is a problem.
Oh, right. So we need to get some people on board so we can make this happen. So moving on to our point before we tell you the rest of our travel plans, how you guys can help us out. We've mentioned the shop, we've mentioned the sale.
This ain't on the list.
Yeah, it is, it's quite small though, how you can help us.
Oh, okay.
So there's a few ways. The first one is you can become a patron. You can get access to our vlogs early. We post extra stuff in the Patreon group, and there's just little chats between all of us in there.
I can send you pictures of this one as well if you want.
You can buy this
for a small fee.
You can buy this dog.
Is available.
She's no longer wanted, so you can take this dog off our hands for £5.50.
Oh, Molly.
See you later.
And another way you can help us, guys, is by clicking the flight section, which is brand spanking new on our website. And then if you go through to that, book your flights. Do you make commission off that?
Yes, through Skyscanner, you don't get charged anything extra. It just means that we'll make some money when you book a flight through our link. So if you're going on a trip, it doesn't matter where it is. You could be flying to Doncaster. Just book your flights through there.
Doncaster. No, that's Scottish. Everything is Scottish. Oh, I didn't know that. That's really cool. So if we book flights, do you reckon I could pretend to be someone else?
She didn't even know. Amy didn't even know. How can you help me?
How am I? Don't let me loose for things like that.
So the other way you can help us is if you're going to book a hotel or somewhere to stay, click the links on our website that says like book now, and there'll be like a link to a hotel. Even if you don't book that one, if you just click through the link and then you book somewhere to stay, we'll make a bit of money from that and you won't get charged anything extra.
Fabulous, that's cool.
That's cool, isn't it?
An Airbnb. Yeah. This is like free money that I'm trying to sell to people. I'm like telling everyone about it.
Trying to sell free money.
Yeah, so, you know, because we've got a link, and if you click that link, everything's down below in the description. If you click the link, you get 25 quid off your first Airbnb.
That's pretty good.
We just keep on making new profiles and we're like, we use that link. My name is Marie Hodgkinson. So yeah, or you could literally just come to my house and just give us a check, or just money in our hands.
Yeah.
Really appreciated. Thanks very much. All right, guys, this is what we've all been waiting for. Craig, what is our biggest trip of the year?
Mates, this is wild.
Wild!
We are doing the Mongol Rally. What's the Mongol Rally then?
Oh, mate. So the Mongol Rally is, in a nutshell, where you get a car. Molly, don't be afraid, we're just excited. You get a 1 litre car or less. It has to be under £500, so it has to be a banger. And you drive from London to Mongolia without any help, really. You just sort of have to make your way through 13 different countries. And then when you break down, that's just part of the adventure.
This is going to be massive. So we're doing it with 2 of our friends, Will and Jess.
Yeah.
And we're going to be driving all the way through Eastern Europe, through the Middle East. It's going to be something we've never done before.
Yeah.
So we're shitting ourselves, but we're also super excited.
Yeah, it's going to take, I'm going to guess, around 40 days to do this. So it is a big trip, like 40 days in the car. You know, I hope we're still friends by the end of it. And we're going to be driving through Iran. What did your mum say when
Oh my god!
She's like, no, you're not! We should be fine.
So, we'll put a list of all the countries we're visiting. So if you're from one of those countries, drop us a line and tell us what's good to do, or if you've got a free bed and we'll come and stay with you on the way.
Yeah, because we don't, like, obviously it's a race, so we don't know what the winner gets, do we? Main part, it's for charity. So I don't think the winner gets too much, but we will be raising £1,000 for Cool Earth, which is the Mongol Rally chosen charity, and for Click Sergeant, which is my part of my heart.
So for the Mongol Rally, we're looking to get it sponsored because it's probably going to be quite expensive for all the visas and all the petrol.
That's what people do, in it. They look for sponsorship.
So you get your car wrapped with certain stickers. So GoPro, we messaged GoPro, we're like, GoPro, we're doing this.
Our buds.
And they were like, we'd love to support you. So we're like, yes. So we got GoPro on board, which is awesome.
Yeah.
We're just speaking to another few companies, aren't we?
A few companies, yeah.
Trying to get them on board. Some big dogs, bringing in the big dogs.
It's so brilliant. I mean, we'll be driving across, what is it, a third of the world's surface.
Madness.
So if anybody out there has got a business, obviously he's got to, nah, fuck it. It hasn't got to even remotely, what's the word I'm looking for? Relate to it. Then give us a ring. Just be like, I would love to pay for your spare wheel for that's going to go on top of your car, and we'll put your brand on your website on the side.
Is a spare wheel, and we're done.
Yeah, be a little bit more than that, but it's going to cost about 10 grand. So yeah,
give or take.
We're poor, so
yeah, that's our main goal for this year. Just before that, we're also going to Bali to meet some very special people, a bunch of YouTubers.
That's right.
So we're going to be in Bali in May, probably for your birthday, innit? Or is it before? We don't know the dates, but we'll be in Bali in May. So the last bullet point is the podcast, which we've been talking about for a long time.
Forever, I know.
We've bought the setup and I actually know how to use it properly now. So it's just a case of sitting down and doing it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to have a go today, we aim.
Oh, is it? Mate, I did my hair, like, can we video it at least?
You got a face for a podcast. Yeah, we know what we're going to do.
Yeah, we're going to do a few. So if you've got like a burning need to ask us a question on, you know, how vodka's made, then
or maybe something travel
that.
Related.
Oh, whatever you fancy. Like, you know, we're eclectic people. We can talk about anything.
Yeah.
Did you know that Kylie Jenner called her baby Stormy?
Really?
There's all these memes of her holding like Stormzy. It's actually got that jacket on in it.
Shut up!
Shut up!
So that is it. That is the update. Hope you're all good. Thanks for watching. If you're brand new, then press subscribe.
Yeah, guys. Welcome to the new people. Soz.
Just get me off.
Sorry, because we've had a lot of things shared by uni lads recently because they're now our BFFs and they have found us and realised how actually fantastic we are. So they share our stuff and we've had quite a few new people come over to our Facebook page. So, if you don't know who we are, my name's Amy and this fella's Craig. Welcome!
Nice to meet you. So that is us. So if your brand's spanking you, press subscribe. And if you're not, then thanks for following us. Give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. It really means a lot to us that you follow us because, like, it gives us more of a chance to put ourselves out there. You know, the more people that follow us, the more eyes we've got on us and the more, you know, we look good to companies. Does that sound a bit weird?
We try and look good.
So what I'm trying to say is thanks very much. And if you've been with us from the beginning, guys, we bloody love you. You know we do. Always remember, rule your own world, okay? Your world, see that guy behind you? It's not his.
It ain't his world.
It's yours. So even if he's like, nah, you can't do that, you just be like, yes, I can.
1, 2, 3, bye!